Angle calibration is important. Now I'll tell you why. Many tools and wrenches used in industrial applications not only measure the torque but also the angle. These measurements support each other in the tightening process, where one of them is controlling the final stage of the tightening and the other one is monitoring. We call this torque control with angle monitoring or angle control with torque monitoring. Here, both values need to be within a specified window in order to have a correct final result. Additionally, calibration of both torque and angle is essential due to the ultimate product responsibility of the manufacturers to avoid quality problems as well as possible legal consequences. This is in particular crucial when it comes to safety-critical applications.